Okay, if you hear it in my voice, I'm sick.
This is Tyson Ray, financial advisor at Form Wealth Advisors, where we exist to help make life better for our clients and those in our community.
And for the month of September, the market sold off given the Fed's recent news. That might have made you sick as well. But one of the things that's really making me sick when I look at these markets is for those of you that are retired, that are living off of or taking money from your portfolios and what has happened in the last year. And at the same time, what is making me sick about that for those in retirement that are living off those portfolios, for the people that are still accumulating, still working, still saving, still dollar cost averaging, wow, you're getting to take advantage of a situation. And let me share with you what I'm talking about. This is showing me the monthly swings of the market for about the last 12 months or so. About every 30 days, the market went down 12%, then went up 8%, then it went down 10%, then it went up 12%, then it went down 17%, then it went up 9%, down 12%, up 18%, down 19%, up 17%, down 8%, up 11%, down 9%, up 20%, down 10%. Now, for the person that monthly is buying, that volatility is enhancing your opportunity to buy shares when they've sold off. And that's the phenomenon and the power behind dollar cost averaging. However, what is good for you to put money in, by definition, is the worst way to take money out. For those of you that aren't our clients that are listening to this, if you have your investments set up that they liquidate every month, and oh, guess what? Technology's made that really easy. And most advisors, that may be the only way they can do it. Well, the problem with that is you're selling every time you have one of these substantial dips. In retirement, you only have so many shares to sell. And you should be selling those shares when the markets are up, or at the very least when you're in one of the upper swings. And the only way to do that is to create reserves when you feel the markets are at higher levels and not sell when they're down. We're dealing with the Fed that's basically reacting to month news of raising rates and trying to calm things down. And it's a lot of uncertainty out there. Just not only the presidential election will be uncertain. Point is, I think we're going to have a lot of this for the next year. So for our clients that are in retirement, I want to remind you that for the last 12 months, we have avoided, to the best of our abilities, having to sell any of the resources that you needed, that you told us you needed in the last 12 months in those downturns. I would just encourage you to communicate with us what you need, and if we haven't had it set aside, we may need to wait for the right opportunity to take it out. For the last 12 months, we've been able to navigate this pretty well because we knew, based on our conversations with you, what you needed, and we tried to set it aside before we had any of these volatilities. And we don't, as a practice, have our clients set up that we sell every month to send you the resources that you need. Those that aren't retired should be thinking the market just keeps going down because that gives you more opportunity to buy, because eventually this is going to work itself out. I'm not worried long term, but for those of you that are in retirement, please don't automate monthly withdrawals of your investment accounts because you're hurting yourself and you don't realize it. And if you'd like to have a conversation with us about what our solution is to trying to avoid that, we'd be happy to talk to you. And for our clients that are retired, please know and please keep communicating with us what you need so we can try and pay attention on when best to set that aside for you.
The purpose of these up or down videos is to try and bring a little understanding about what you should be doing with your long-term investments based on what is going on. And so this is Tyson Ray, financial advisor at Form Wealth Advisors, where we exist to help make life better for our clients and those in our community.